This is the video for 4-5 writing a function rule, and I did ask you to at least attempt to write an equation describing each one of these situations prior to watching this video. So if you have not done so yet, please pause the video and again at least attempt to write an equation for each one of these situations. But let's go ahead and go over these, and let's look at example number 1. The outdoor temperature is about 40 degrees more than 1/4 the number of chirps the cricket makes in 1 minute. Write an equation representing the predicted outdoor temperature. So first of all, when you see words like more than and of, go ahead and circle them or highlight those, because those key words are going to help you figure out what operation you're using. So what do I have here? I have 40 degrees more than 1/4 the number of chirps. That is going to equal my predicted outdoor temperature. More than means addition and of means multiplication. So I have 40 degrees more than 1/4 the number of chirps. And so my predicted outdoor temperature is going to be dependent upon the number of chirps I hear. Let's go to example number 2. A landfill has 50,000 tons of waste. Each month it accumulates another 420 more tons. Write an equation representing how much waste the landfill has. So what's happening here? I'm starting out with 50,000 tons of waste. And then every month I'm adding another 420 more tons. I'm starting out with 50,000 tons of waste, and every month I'm adding another 420 tons. And so the total number of tons is dependent upon how many months have gone by. Example number 3. Concert tickets for reserved seating are sold out. They were $25 a ticket. There are 10 rows with 12 seats per row in reserved seating. General seating is $12. Write an equation to describe the total revenue possible. Well, my total revenue is going to equal the sales from my reserve seating plus the sales from my general seating. Well, let's look at the reserve seating first. What do I know about the reserve seating? Well, first of all, I know they're sold out. And I know there are 120 seats in reserve seating. 10 rows, 12 seats per row. I also know they were $25 a ticket. So if those tickets were sold out, how much money did you make? 120 times $25 is $3,000. So the sales from my reserved seating was $3,000, 120 seats at $25 a ticket. So my total revenue is going to equal $3,000 plus $12 for every ticket in general seating that I sell. So my total revenue is going to be dependent upon how many general seating tickets I sell. Okay, and finally the last one. A kennel charges $15 a day to board a dog. Upon arrival, each dog must have a $10 flea bath. What is a function rule that represents the total cost to board your dog? Well, let's think of it this way. It doesn't matter whether I board my dog for 1 day or whether I board my dog for 20 days. I have to pay $10 for a flea bath. It doesn't matter how many days I board him. I have to pay $10 for a flea bath. So my total bill when I pick up my dog is going to equal the $10 for the flea bath plus every day he's there, I'm adding another $15 to my bill. So $10 for his flea bath plus $15 a day. That is going to be my total bill. So my total bill is dependent upon how many days he's there. And so situations like this, you've experienced before. You've solved problems like this before in everyday life. All you're doing differently now is just creating an algebraic equation. You're just creating an algebraic equation that describes the situation. So go ahead and do your homework, and if you have to use the answer key to help you figure out the answer, that's okay as long as you understand the answer that's given and then go back to the same problem again 2 hours later and see if you can solve it without the answer key. Then you know if you really understood it or not.